Thank you, McKenna and Joe. Kwabi Amoah-Forson is a humanitarian and influencer from Tacoma, Washington. Through various humanitarian campaigns, he has assisted those in need in his community and across the country. He also strives to educate others about the true meaning of peace and foster dialogue on the subject through the Peace Bus. He has been featured on PBS television, King 5 News, Q13 Fox, and co-hosted last year's Northwest Emmys, as well as Tacoma's very own Night Show. Last year, he was awarded the Tacoma Peace Prize and was invited to attend the Nobel Peace Prize ceremony in Oslo, Norway. Just a couple months ago, he arrived home from a humanitarian journey in Ghana, West Africa, where he gave away food and resources to orphanages. Over the years, Kwabi has worked to help those in need with many humanitarian aid endeavors while speaking to students, businesses, and organizations about the most important subject of all. Students, faculty, staff, and parents, please welcome Mr. Kwabi Amoah-Forson.
What's going on, Bill? It's a pleasure to be here today. I'm going to switch and transition to this wireless mic. I'm going to need it. Let's see. Let's press the button. Hello? Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. It is absolutely amazing to be here today. You guys look fantastic. Can you turn to your neighbor right now and say, you look fantastic? Amazing jobs. Every single teacher here, molding young minds like yourself, is an amazing, incredible job. But I have the greatest job in the entire world. That is because I'm a humanitarian. Does anyone here know what a humanitarian is? Anyone want to try to take a guess of what a humanitarian is? No one? Well, that's okay. So I'm here to tell you what a humanitarian is. A humanitarian is one who seeks the betterment of all people. No matter where you come from, where you look like, what your religion is, your race, color, or creed. I'm out here in the streets and around the world helping people. If it's giving out socks to people who need socks, jackets to people who need jackets, food to people who need food, that's what I'm about. I give for a living. It's absolutely amazing. And so with that, I've done a lot of different campaigns helping people. And as I go out talking, because I only have 10 minutes, so I'll keep it quite brief, that what are your skills? Because everyone has a skill and a talent. If you don't have a talent or a skill, you're dead. You're not alive. Because every single person has something. Now, the question is, how can you utilize that gift, that talent, that skill to help someone else in need? If we're able to do this, we will create the world that Martin Luther King Jr. envisioned. All of us helping everyone who needs that help. I've done various campaigns throughout the years. I've been doing peace work for about maybe 6 years now. I was Santa Claus for the city of Tacoma one year, 2020, like actual Santa Claus. So I invited all the kids in the greater Tacoma area to send me letters about peace and love and what they've done for their families, and they can ask me for a gift, any gift whatsoever, as long as it's $50 and under, I'd get it for you. So I got hundreds and hundreds of letters in the mail. Yeah, I read them all. It took a long time. And Amazon was my best friend. I was on Amazon all day, getting all the gifts. And on Christmas Eve, I dressed up like the man in red. My friends were elves, and we delivered individual presents to 100 families. And it took us from 4 p.m. to 4 a.m. in the morning. This is sort of the idea of what the things I do. And as was beautifully stated earlier, I just went to Ghana, West Africa to do a humanitarian endeavor, going to orphanages and giving out tons of food. Now, when I get all the kids together, we would do this chant, right? This mantra to get them on the right track, right? And it goes like this, and I'd love to do it with you guys if you guys are down. You guys want to try to do this mantra real quick? Okay, it goes like this, Okay. It goes, I am great, and then you guys will say, I am great. It goes, oh, I'm practicing already. Okay, and then I'll say, I am powerful, and then you guys will say, I am powerful. And then I'll say, I am peaceful, and you guys say, I am peaceful. You guys ready for this? You guys get it? All right, I'm going to record this to make sure you guys get it. I'm going to record it. All right, here we go. Ready? What's going on, guys? Kwabi here. I'm at the amazing Bellarmine Preparatory School. I am peaceful! I am peaceful! We have some very peaceful students here at Bellarmine Prep. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Now, as you guys know, I'm a humanitarian, and one of my initiatives was taking my baby blue bus. Why didn't you talk about the peace bus, did I? Well, I drive the greatest vehicle in the entire world. The baby blue bus, I think you guys saw it outside, and I use my vehicle to help people in need of local humanitarian aid with my bus. And in 2021, I took my bus from Washington State all the way to Washington, D.C., from sea to shining sea, in order to give out hundreds of books about love, compassion, and peace to the youth and the college students. And when I was traveling giving out these books, I brought this with me. Now, it looks like a beach ball, right? But it's not a beach ball, it's a peace ball. And so we tossed it around the room, someone would catch it, and they would read a question and attempt to answer it. I know I don't have a lot of time, but I'd like to throw the ball around a little bit. You guys are down to play the peace ball game real quick. You guys down? All right, let's do it. On the count of three, someone can investigate the peace ball. When I pass it, you catch it, you ask the questions, try to answer it, pass it to the next person. Here we go. Here we go. What's the question you have? Okay, this is important. How do I calm down when I'm angry? How do we do it? 1,000%. Check this out. So she said talking to someone in order to calm down. Never in the history of humankind has one person been upset at another for listening to them. Think about that. If someone's angry or upset, if you just sit there and listen to them talk, eventually they'll calm down. How powerful that is. Listening is a cornerstone of peace. And if we are able to listen to our neighbors, then we can bring about a level of peace. Let's go ahead and throw that ball around. Where'd it go? Oh, okay. Oh, it's a peace game. It's a peace game. Okay. All right, what question we got? Can I pick one? Okay, here's one right here. Let's do, what is courage? Massive question. Okay. Well, we're having a committee right now, okay? All right, you're from the Geneva Convention. What is courage?
Being confident in yourself.
Yeah, it is that. Okay, yeah.
Having the bravery to do the right thing.
Yes, 100,000%. All right, we're going to get to this side. Amazing answers to amazing questions. All right, I'm sure I got like 2 minutes left. All right, here we go. You guys ready? Down in this room, looks like you're not ready. All right, here we go. Oh, see? The Lord wanted you to answer this question. All right, what question you got?
How do you show kindness?
show kindness. How do you do it? Yeah, you're supposed to answer. Ooh, okay. All right, helping out others. It's kind of what I do. It's a very good answer. All right, let's pass the ball one more time. One more time, we'll pass the ball. Woo! Round of applause for that catch, though. That was amazing. All right, what questions we got?
What makes a good friend?
What makes a good friend? All right, let's hear it.
Someone that like has common interests.
Okay. Okay. Think about your best friend of all time. If they were sad, they were having a bad day, what would you do to help them?
I would get him a strawberry milkshake.
Boom. Food is peace. Appreciate that. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Round of applause for everyone who participated in the Peace Ball game. Now, I know I only have like 1 minute left, so I'm going to keep it brief. And as we've been talking about the idea of peace, now we got an idea of what it could look like, right? In my estimation, traveling the world talking about peace, there's 3 different kinds of peace. One is inner peace, that comes from an understanding of self, maybe religion, walk of life. The second kind of peace is interpersonal peace. It's what I talk about a lot, how can we show love and respect with our fellow human beings. This is what Martin Luther King was all about. And the third is diplomatic peace. How is China faring with Russia, the United States with Ukraine, this sort of thing. And between interpersonal peace and diplomatic peace, we have community peace, talent peace, the peace that we're having in this room right now. We're all fighting each other, right? So, with that, can someone come up here and let us all know what peace means to them? Anyone want to volunteer to come up here and say that? Anyone at all? You seem very confident. Yeah, you want to come up here? All right. Now, what is peace? What's your name, first and foremost?
Robert?
We got Robert here, everyone. Round of applause for Robert. All right, Robert. With the Columbia jacket, this is amazing, by the way. What does peace mean to you? You can hold the microphone.
Peace means to me that, like, it's mainly like not like treat people bad, but like helping out, being good in the community, like I don't know, just kind of like doing the best you can, or just doing the best you possibly can.
This is for you. It's an authentic